Want to fix Asus ROG Ally Cloud Recovery Network error? This video will show you the simple tricks to restore your device. Let's dive in. First things first, a cloud recovery network error on the ROG Ally usually indicates a problem with your Wi-Fi connection, router settings, or a temporary server issue. Now, the most crucial step is to check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router and modem by unplugging them for 60 seconds. Next, ensure your ROG Ally is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, not 5 GHz, during cloud recovery. Some routers handle 2.4 GHz more stably for recovery processes. Try temporarily disabling your 5 GHz band on your router or separating the SSIDs. You'll also want to try a different Wi-Fi network if possible, e.g. a mobile hotspot from your phone. This helps determine if the issue is with your home network. Ensure your router's firewall isn't blocking essential ports for recovery. Temporarily disable your router's firewall, consult your router manual, or ensure UPnP is enabled. Finally, ensure your ROG Ally's battery is sufficiently charged or plugged into power during the entire recovery process. A low battery can cause unexpected interruptions. If the error persists, check Asus's support forums for reported cloud recovery issues. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more ROG Ally tips, and let it know in the comments what you want to see next.